Hello students, in the previous lecture we had started the exercise 2.2 and we had seen how to find the cofactor of the element of matrix. Now we will proceed forward and we will start with the next question. Find the matrix of cofactor of for given matrix. Previous question we had seen only cofactor of the element. In this question we will write matrix of cofactor. So the question is, this is matrix 1 3 4 minus 1. So this is A11 A12 A21 A22, correct? So first element A11 is 1, so we will find its minor M11. How to find minor? Determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. So if you delete first row and first column, you will only get -1, and determinant of -1 is -1. Now cofactor of that element, -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11 minus 1 square into -1, that is -1. This is first cofactor. Now next is A12 3. So what will be M12? Determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column. So if you delete first row and second column, you will get 4. So determinant of 4 is 4. Capital A12 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12 minus 1 cube into 4, that is -4. Now A21 4. So what will be M21? Determinant obtained by deleting second row and first column, that is 3. So capital A21 will be, that is cofactor of this element, -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21 minus 1 cube into 3, that is -3. A22 last element is -1. So M22 will be determinant obtained by deleting second row and second column 1. So capital A22 minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. Answer is 1. Now matrix of cofactor. In previous question what we had seen, write down the cofactor of the elements. So after this step we had written that cofactor of the elements are -1, -4, -3, 1. Here you have to write this in matrix form. So matrix of cofactor is capital A11, capital A12, capital A21, capital A22. So this will be -1, -4, -3, 1. So this is our required matrix of cofactor. So now next question we'll see. Find the adjoint of following matrices or matrix. So question is 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 5 minus 2 0 minus 1. 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 5 minus 2 0 minus 1. So you have to find adjoint of this matrix. So first of all you have to find matrix of cofactor by the same way in the previous question. So the first element A11 is here 1. A11 is 1. So what will be M11? Determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. That means 3 5 0 minus 1. Clear? So it is -3 minus 0, that is -3. So what will be capital A11? -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11 minus 1 square into -3, that is -3. Now the next element A12. What is A12? Minus 1. So capital M12 will be determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column. First row, second column. So you will get first row, second column. Minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 1. So if you delete first row and second column, you will get minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 1. So see here, so it will be minus 2 into minus 1, 2, minus sign in between, minus 2 into 5, it is minus 10, okay. 2 ones are 2, minus minus plus, in between minus sign, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. So 2 plus 10 is 12. So capital A12 will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 cube into 12, that is minus 12. Okay. Now next element A13. So what is A13 here? 2. So what will be capital M13? Determinant obtained by deleting first row and third column. First row, third column, if you delete, you will get minus 2, 3, minus 2, 0. So minus 2 into 0, 0, minus in between, 3 into minus 2, minus 6. So 0 plus 6, that is 6. So capital A13, that is cofactor of this element, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into M13, minus 1 raised to 4 into 6. So answer is 6. Now the next element is here A21. I will write here A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. So the next element A21 is minus 2. So A21 is minus 2. So what will be M21? Determinant obtained by deleting second row and first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. So if you delete second row and first column, you will get minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1. Minus 1, 2, 0, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1, minus 2 zeros are 0. So answer is 1. So capital A21 will be minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 cube into 1, that is minus 1. Next element A22, 3. So what will be M22? Determinant obtained by deleting second row and second column. So if you delete second row and second column, you will get 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus sign in between. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Okay. So what is A22? A22 is here 3. So what will be M22? Determinant obtained by deleting second row and second column. So you will get 1, 2, minus 2, minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus in between 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus minus plus 4 minus 1, 3. So what will be cofactor of this element? Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. Minus 1 raised to 4 into 3, that is 3. So we'll go for the next element. Okay. A23. What is A23 here? 5. So what will be capital M23? Determinant obtained by deleting second row and third column. So if you delete second row and third column, you will get 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. So it is 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. Okay. Second row, third column, 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. So 1 zeros are 0, minus in between, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So answer is minus 2. So what will be cofactor of that element? Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into m2 3. So minus 1 raised to 5 into minus 2. So it is negative. So minus minus plus, that is 2. Now the next element A31. What is A31 here? Minus 2. So what will be M31? Determinant obtained by deleting third row and first column. So minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5. So this will be minus 1 into 5 minus 5. Minus in between 3 2s are 6, that is minus 11. Capital A31 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into M31. So minus 1 raised to 4 into minus 11. So answer is minus 11. Next element A32. What is A32 here? 0. So what will be M32? Determinant obtained by deleting third row and second column. So it will be 1, 2, minus 2, 5. So 1, 2, minus 2, 5. 5 ones are 5, minus in between 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Okay. By deleting third row and second column, 1, 2, minus 2, 5. 5 ones are 5, minus in between 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So 5 plus 4, that is 9. So what will be A32, that is cofactor of this element? You all know the formula for this. So minus 1 raised to 5 into 9. So odd power of minus 1 is negative. So it is minus 9. So last element, small a33 element, that is minus 1. So what will be M33? Determinant obtained by deleting third row and third column. So 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. 3 ones are 3. Minus in between, minus in between, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. 3 ones are 3. Minus in between, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. Okay, 3 in between minus, and this is positive. 3 minus 2 is 1. So capital A33 will be minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into M33. So minus 1 raised to 6 into 1, that is 1. Okay. So we will write here matrix of cofactor first. Matrix of cofactor. So what is matrix of cofactor? Capital A11, capital A12, capital A13, capital A21, capital A22, capital A23, capital A31, capital A32, capital A33. So matrix of cofactor you got is minus 3 minus 2L 6, minus 3 minus 2L 6, minus 3 minus 2L 6. Next, minus 1 3 2, minus 1 3 2, correct? Minus 3 minus 2L 6, minus 1 3 2, and last minus 11 minus 9 1. So this is matrix of cofactor. Now we will find adjoint of matrix. So you all know what is adjoint of matrix. In previous lectures we had seen adjoint of matrix is transpose of matrix of cofactor. It is nothing but transpose of matrix of cofactor. So what is transpose? Minus 3 minus 2L 6, minus 1 3 2, minus 11 minus 9 1. You have to take transpose of this matrix. So what is transpose of matrix? Row and column will be interchanged with each other. So this is first row, minus 3 minus 2L 6. So this will be first column here. Okay. This is second row. So this will be second column here. Third row. So this will be third column here. So this is our adjoint of matrix. How to find adjoint of matrix? Same cofactor, and you have to take the transpose of cofactor matrix. That means first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. So this is how we can find the adjoint of a matrix. So today we'll stop here. Now we will go for the further questions in the next lecture.